Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are facing the red cross icons on all the folders here guys, so this video is for you. I will show how to troubleshoot this issue. So first of all, this issue occurs when the OneDrive data is and the storage is full. So in order to fix the issue guys, you have to delete some data from the OneDrive so that it cannot reach over to the maximum limit. If you are not able to do that, you can unlink your account from the OneDrive. How to do that? Click on OneDrive option, then you need to go to this gear icon, and once you go to gear icons, you need to go to the setting icon, and simply you need to click on unlink this PC. Once you click on unlink this PC, you have to click confirm that unlink. Your OneDrive file will stop syncing. Locally available file will remain on this device, while online only files will be removed. Okay, but those will be shown in the web browsing as well. Click on unlink, and now once you have refreshed, now click this PC and refresh. Your issue will be fixed instantly guys, I'm pretty sure. And you can also remove the OneDrive permanently from your Windows. How to do that? Go to add and remove programs in Windows 10 and 11. Steps will be same, and type R1 and click on Microsoft OneDrive and simply uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled it, all the issue will be fixed. So I hope guys this short video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.